Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to design websites on Wix. So for you to design a website, how to design your website on Wix. So once you log onto your Wix account, you should have something on your home page. You can see this is a setup page for my business, but I'm just going to do the rough design website for you guys. So for you to design a website for your website, just click on design site. And say preparing your website. The website is trying to generate a website template and a sample website for way to design. And say something like this: recover your word. Actually, this is a random website. So I want to design a website with a good write-up. Then I'll have to fill in my necessary information. But since I'm not going to do to create a particular website right now, I'm just going to do the random process for you guys. So right now I want to edit, because let's say this is the website the Wix AI generate for you guys. So you want to edit it. These are the tools you can use. At the left side corner of the screen, you can see these add elements. You want to add actions, you want to add pages and menu to the website. You can use this. You can also use this to site design. You want to design the website. You want to design that. You want to add apps like Instagram, Facebook. You want to add to it. Then the content, which is your business. Then you can add some medias. In fact, it's very important when you're creating a website. Media is very, very important for people to see and know more about your brand and what you are projecting on the website. And also, most times media is very important when it comes to attraction. Like look at this image right here on the screen. You can see this is the media. You can see how attractive and eye-catching is this. So these are the things that we can use. You can also change this if you want. Just come to media, then edit it. Then if you want to add any element, use the element key, and that's how to design the website on Wix. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.